To celebrate Earth Day in the Bahamas, the National Trust turned some of their most amazing and alluring parks into free zones for families.
Us is the national park manager for the country. We are protecting 33 special places across our Bahama land. So on 5 of our islands today, the parks are open and running an activity as our special way to celebrate Earth Day following the Easter weekend. So today in New Providence, we've got the Retreat Garden on Village Road open until 5 p.m. We have Primeval Forest out west near Albany. And then, of course, we've got Grand Bahamas Rand Nature Center, Eleutheris Leon Levy Native Plant Preserve, Mariah Harbor Key Park in Exuma, as well as Inagua National Park.
How do I know if I am squatting on Crown land? If you do not have any official documentation from the land registry demonstrating your title to the land, it is likely that you are squatting. If you are unsure, you should check the property ownership records at the land registry or hire a professional surveyor or an attorney to determine the legal status of the land. It is essential to ensure you have the right to occupy and use the property to avoid legal issues. For more information, call the Informal Settlement Unit 344-0478 or visit their website and follow on their social media.
My little family, as you can see here, enjoyed the fun. Picking up our National Trust passports, we visited all 8 of the booths at the retreat on Village Road in Nassau this past Saturday. The Trust engineered the education and appreciation into an adventure, which promoted and quizzed us on the valuable natural elements that are a part of the ecology of the Bahamas. It also gave us an opportunity to interact with an 8-foot-long Bahamian named Cora.
Get your passport as you enter the park, and we want you to stop at 8 of the booths that we are highlighting that will help you learn about the environment, our national parks, and things that make the Bahamas special.
We definitely want students, we want adults to come out because this is a free opportunity that you get to come, you get an opportunity to win prizes, you get an opportunity to play games. And where could you beat this? A free opportunity to allow your kids to just have about 5 to 6 hours of fun. I think this is beautiful.
This year's theme of Earth Day, which was on April 22nd, Our Power, Our Planet. Deandrea Hamilton reporting.